So over here, you can see that I have a project in Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. And let's say what you want to do is you want to carry forward this project in some other editing application. So in that case, what you can do is you can go to your file menu right here. And instead of going to export, you can go to a confirmation section right here. And here you can see that you can export selected panels or track panel or the entire project. So I'm just going to go around and click on export project. And over here, you can see that you can select out different formats. So let's say, for example, like Final Cut Pro right here, like AAF right here. So if you want to go around and export it into these kind of projects, then you can do that as well, so that you can continue editing in other editing applications as well, if you're comfortable more in editing in other applications right here. So you can export more than one image per layer right here and enable and disable out different features over here, as you can see. You can also go around over here and go to render part and render it out in different formats according to how you like. So let's say, for example, if you have a video footage, then you may want to render it out as MP4 right here or WMB right here, depending on the format that you actually select right here. You can go around in Burn-In and print the screen names and panel numbers on the images over here as well. And you can go around onto camera guide and enable out like safe areas and so forth according to how you want as well. You can go around onto captions and export it out as well. So whatever you want, you can go around and export it right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in scene right here. And then I'm going to go around into the folder right here and go to desktop, and I'm just going to create a new folder right here. So I'm just going to go around and open this and click on save right here and click on export. And then what happens is that it'll just go around and export out those files in the format that we selected. So now what you can do is you can go around right here and import these files out inside a Final Cut Pro, because that is the format that we selected. So it exported it as XML document, as you can see right here. So that is what you can do. You can go around and import it in other editing software according to how you want and continue editing from there. So that is how you can export out for editing inside of other applications from Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.